They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
What's going on, everybody? Another rendition of Sound Sneakers. Who we have today on Complex Ambition, an unboxing and a shoe comparison between the Blue Moon Jordan 1 that came out today, along with the Jordan 1 Green Clay Green. These are both part of the Best Hands, something like that, collection that's going on. It's really an homage to Michael Jordan's gambling addiction, and like inside the shoe, I'm hearing that there's certain little references to all that. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see how they look in hand. I'm excited, man, because these were more limited than expected. We have a size 13 available in the blue. The size 13 in the green clay has sold, but you guys are welcome to DM us at complexambition.supply at the Instagram. Let's get right into it. Enjoy. Regular boxes, you know what I'm saying? Regular Nike box. All Nike 1 boxes are this color, this size for the 13, big size. As you can see with this fucking one though, I got it from Foot Locker, and look at this fucking box. Fucking destroyed. House of Hoops. He went to the House of Hoops side of Foot Locker and got me this pair from the raffle that I won. It sucks, man, but I guess it's part of the game. They're buying the shoe, not the box. Clay, Jordan 1. Clay green, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful. We're gonna get more we're gonna get more up close and personal. You can see the details in a bit. I'm just taking them out for now. That's the Blue Moon for you. I'm gonna get up close and personal. I want you guys to actually see these more up close. Blue Moons. Very beautiful. This right here is amazing. Similar to Timberland suede. I was shocked when I saw these in person, man. The leather, the material. They definitely stepped it up for these pairs. I believe that there's 25K limited quantity of each colorway. This one and the green came out today in the USA. If you guys are international, you're seeing this and you got your hands on some yellow ones or the red ones, you, my friend, are lucky as fuck. If you get into the sole, you can see it's a bit of a lighter color than the actual Blue Moon, but it's still nice. The sole is pretty dope. Really like earthy tone vibes, you know what I'm saying? Tonal, almost like rocks, or like just earthy vibe. Tonal laces. This right here is blue, and then you get into the inside. The actual sole, there was a catch to it, and here's the catch. The cards. Air Jordan cards, deck of cards, number 23 the number. You know what I'm saying? Now if we look into the other sole, All-Star card. You know, All-Star 14. 14 stars. That's how many All-Stars Jordan won. These are very decorated. Very sought after colorway. Green pair, green clay, very beautiful. Modeled after obviously the Boston Celtic ones, but a darker tone this time around with the suede. But very beautiful, man. I feel like these are more sought after because we are already familiar with the royal ones. We got the bread ones, but the yellow ones and green ones haven't been remade or reiterated in any such form. So that's the reason these are more sought after. Now the difference between this one and the blue one is basically that right there. These are the Hall of Fame pair. So you have Michael Jordan Hall of Fame. Nothing much else to say. Comment down below which ones you guys prefer. Obviously the green. I mean, am I right? I mean, I would assume that. Not having these side by side. Oof. You know what I'm saying? Serious is serious. The bottom of the green is real deal. Almost like camo military green. That tonal green. These are very nice, man. Me and my friends, my brothers, we've been talking about these shoes ever since they got announced, but we didn't expect these shoes to be this nice, nor this limited, nor this sought after, nor this resellable. So I guess Jordan, you got a point. Nike, you got a one up on us. I'll give you that guy's that shot right there. Well, there you guys have it. That's the unboxing and the comparison between the two of the 4-pack that dropped today, and of the Jordans. You know what I'm saying? Clay Green and Blue Moons. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching this. Comment down below, like I said before. Are you guys a fan of the idea at all of having this clay tonal green existing and this blue moon tonal blue existing on the shoe? I think it works perfectly because it's similar to like what everything that's been popular right now with like the tonal colorways and what Yeezy's kind of doing and Kanye's doing with the clothing. That stuff like tonal, like earthy tones. That's the way to go, man. It's simple, keeps it simple, nothing too crazy. The yellow ones are my favorite thus far, but hey, man, I'm not in Japan or in Europe or wherever the fuck they drop. But we got our hands on these right here, so you guys are interested, like we said before earlier, contact us, DM us. You know what I'm saying? If you guys just want to chat about fucking clothes, whatever, welcome to hit us up as well. Stay tuned for more music reactions and more unboxings coming in the later future. Peace, love, and positivity to all. Goodbye.